Wow, look what coconut come to. Interesting. So they put a wrapper on it, and on top of that, they add a straw. They put the nutrition facts on the back. Anyway, pretty convenient. This little thing right here was selling for $5 and about 45 cents. All right, it's pretty sophisticated, I must say. Comes with a straw, and they already did the work for you. So basically, let's do this thing together. You're gonna take off the straw. See, pops off really nice. I like that. Flip it upside down to push it in. Voila. Then there's a little section on the top that you pull off, creating the hole to the coconut water. And this is where you insert the straw. Very convenient, and enjoy. Wow, that is a real deal. I like it. I like this. I don't have to do a lot of work. But you know, inside of the coconut have jelly, and that's like the best part. So if you drink your coconut water, especially young coconut water, you want to take a knife and get inside there. So you eventually got to chop this thing open to get out the jelly. And whew, that's another subject. I like. Trying to see if I could get the wrapper off. It's just a coconut that they covered with their stuff. Quite nice. I like it. Water. So I'm just gonna take off this the shell piece that they put on it. Just gonna rip it off to show you how. This is a pretty neat idea. So for the elderlies out there that are pretty dehydrated, coconut is very good for hydration, and they don't have to worry about, you know, getting inside there. Pretty smart. They also wrapped it with cellophane wrapped as well. And just for extra precaution, I guess. But yeah, this is it. Very, very nice. So they basically just stick it on there, and this pointed piece go down into the coconut. Very interesting. Pour out the coconut water. That would take forever. If you're scared of a knife, don't try this. Because this is not for everybody to do. And I'm doing this because I need to get in and get my jelly. And on top of that, drain out the rest of the coconut water. Oh my. Yep, create the hole a little bigger. So, drain out the water. Sometimes it's a lot. See, it's a lot. which is quite good for you. And my spoon, see if my spoon can get in there. If not, no, it can't. Just gotta chop it open. Kind of work my way around it. Well, my spoon can get it now. Those are a piece of scrap from the outer. That's what the jelly look like. It's kind of turning brown. So I have to eat this before. Delicious. The jelly is the best part. Coconut water is refreshing. And when this coconut turned brown, really brown and hard, you can use to make coconut milk. But this is not the one that you use to make coconut milk. I mean, you can try, but this is not the one. These are jelly coconut. Delicious. I could tell that they pierce the coconut open for a while before they put the thing on top, because the air got inside of the coconut and caused the jelly to get brown. You know, when you're dealing with organic stuff, they don't last too long. Sometimes in 3 days, natural stuff start to rot, because they're just meant to go through. Guys, if you've never had a jelly coconut, you gotta try it next time you go to an island. They do have it in the supermarket here in America. Asian market you can find it, and some Fiesta you can find it in. If you have a Fiesta or a bazaar, if you live in Texas, the bazaar is more Indian, but if you go more north, it is Caribbean, and people from all over the world. You will find coconut there. It's always good to go to the imported supermarket, because when you go there, you get more of a quality, but you have to pay more because you're paying for import costs, and you're getting quality fruits and vegetables, you know. Even the Hala market. And this is dinner for me.